to observe the art gallery known as existence.
Whatever you make of it.
To suffer and generate loosh.
You are nothing but a device to turn oxygen into carbon dioxide for my species to breathe.
The omega point. Life evolves to a point where it combines to create a divine being, which then recreates the universe and so on.
Oh God, I'm good.
To worship God, every other purpose is temporary and therefore pointless.
To submit to the supreme ruler, Allah.
Why not? You got something better to be doing?
You make up your own mind. In the meantime, we're stuck together.
I don't think it needs one, really.